Hi, and welcome back to Life Upgrade with AI. This channel is all about using AI to make everyday life feel simpler, calmer, and more organized. I'm using ChatGPT on my computer today, but you can follow along with any AI assistant, including the app on your phone. Today we're planning a cozy winter weekend, inspired by one of my favorite concepts, Hygge. I'm Norwegian, and in Norway we grow up with long, dark winters. So learning how to make life warm, gentle, and comforting is a skill we all develop early. Hygge is all about warmth, presence, simple pleasures, and slowing down. And AI can help you bring all of that into your home. Let's get into it. A cozy winter weekend starts with clarity. What do you want it to feel like? Slow, restful, playful, creative? Instead of guessing, let's have AI guide the reflection. Here's the first prompt. Help me plan a cozy winter weekend at home. Ask me 10 simple questions about how I want it to feel and what I want to include. AI will ask calming, thoughtful questions about the mood you want, the activities that bring you joy, what relaxes you, and what you might want to take a break from. This helps you build your weekend around feeling and not pressure, which is exactly the point. Now, even if you answer just 5 of the questions, that will give AI enough direction to plan something meaningful and restorative. This is about intention, not perfection. Next, let's set the mood. Cozy weekends rely on atmosphere more than activities. Here's the prompt. Give me a list of cozy atmosphere ideas inspired by Hygge. Keep them simple and easy to create. AI suggests things like soft blankets, warm lighting, candles, natural textures, calming playlists, warm drinks, and unplugged moments. Hygge isn't about buying things, it's about creating warmth and presence with whatever you already have. In Norway, Hygge isn't about aesthetic perfection, although that might be what the sales industry and the shops are trying to make us believe. It's about comfort, slowness, shared moments, and intentionally choosing coziness, especially during long, dark months. A cozy winter weekend needs comforting food, and AI is wonderful at generating meal and snack ideas that fit your mood. Here's the prompt you can use for this. Give me 10 easy winter meal and snack ideas I can make during a cozy weekend. AI will offer ideas like soups, stews, baked goods, hot drinks, simple casseroles, or small grazing boards. These meals don't require effort. They're meant to support the feeling of your weekend. Now, if you are preparing your cozy winter weekend and any of these suggested meals or snack ideas sound good to you, you can continue this by asking AI for a recipe for any of the ideas. And then my advice for the next step is to ask for a full grocery list. That way you can prepare ahead for your weekend and you don't have to go out shopping if you don't want to on the weekend. Now let's add some gentle self-care, the slow kind that helps you reset. Here's the prompt. Create a simple winter self-care plan for a relaxing weekend at home. AI suggests things like warm baths, journaling, reading, stretching, fresh air walks, skincare routines, or quiet creative time. This part brings balance to the weekend and helps you enter Monday feeling refreshed. Also, keep in mind, winter self-care doesn't need to be elaborate. Sometimes it's simply warming your hands on a mug of tea, lighting a candle, or sitting under a blanket with your favorite book. That's what Hygge is all about. Not everyone can get away, but for those who can, AI makes planning it incredibly easy. Here's the prompt. Create a budget-friendly weekend getaway plan for a snowy cabin or nature cottage. AI will suggest things like a simple packing list, cozy cabin meals, cost-saving ideas, activities like hikes, board games, or reading by a fire, and just ways to make the space extra warm and Hygge-inspired. Cabin weekends are especially common in Norway. We call them hyttetur, and they're a huge part of our winter culture. AI can actually help you recreate that atmosphere anywhere and regardless if you're Norwegian or not. Now, let's put the whole weekend together so you can copy it into your notes and start using it right away. Here's the final prompt. Combine the cozy weekend plan, hygge ideas, meal ideas, self-care, and cabin getaway option into one simple winter weekend plan I can copy and use. AI organizes everything clearly: the atmosphere, the activities, the meals, the self-care, and the optional getaway. It's like having a personalized cozy weekend blueprint. And that's it. With just a few simple prompts, you now have a warm, calm, Hygge-inspired winter weekend plan that helps you slow down, recharge, and enjoy the season in the gentlest way. If you'd like more winter planning ideas like this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. Thank you for watching and stay cozy.